Hi everyone, this is Rubina. Welcome to my channel. Today we will make rasam. It is a South Indian soup, very yummy and nutritious. Let's see how it is made. We need following ingredients: ghee, tomatoes, imli soaked in hot water, curry leaves, mashed garlic, mustard seeds, hing, pepper, zeera, tur dal for frying. This tur dal is for boiling, and red dry chilies, dhania seeds and dhania fresh leaves. Now this tur dal we will separately boil with a little salt, turmeric powder and tomatoes. I have boiled it separately and this is how it looks. We will now make rasam powder. To make the powder we need a pan and we need to roast all the ingredients. Let's add 1 cup of tur dal and roast it well. We will now add dhania seeds, dry red chilies, 5 of them, black pepper, and zeera at the end, cumin seeds. Roast the mixture well until it leaves nice aroma, and then we need to cool it off and grind it. Mixture is cooled off now. We will put it in the grinder and let's grind it. And this is how the rasam powder looks now. Let's start with the next process. We need imli soaked in water, tomato and little extra water. We'll add 1 teaspoon of salt in the bowl and mash the imli into the water we soaked to remove the tangy cover of imli. Slightly make a paste of it with your hands. Strain the remaining imli for us to only use the imli water that we just made. Squeeze off the remaining water from the imli cover. Add imli water into the bowl we added salt into while straining it. Add tomatoes into imli and salt water and mash it with your hand to blend the imli and tomatoes together. Mash it really well. This is how it should look once fully mashed and blended. We will add a little water to it and add the mixture into a pan to start cooking. Smash fresh garlic to add to the mixture. Now add rasam powder and mix it well. And here in a small pan we will start making the tadka. For tadka we will add mustard seeds into ghee and let it fry until it starts cracking. Now add zeera to it, cumin seeds, 2 dry red chilies, hing, a little bit in tadka and into the pan, and let it fry well. While tadka is getting made, let's add boiled dal into the imli and tomato mixture and let it get mixed well. Here our tadka is ready now. Let's add it to the rasam. Add fresh curry leaves. And fresh coriander leaves. Here your rasam is ready. Let it boil. And yummy rasam is ready to eat. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe and see you again.